only ultra realistic AI art sells on Adobe Stock. But surprisingly, some of my simplest poster style images are getting downloads consistently. And after checking my recent downloads, I started noticing some very interesting patterns. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you which images got downloaded, why they worked, and what this tells us about it. What buyers actually want on Adobe Stock in 2026. Okay, so we'll see the recent list. See this one. Now, this airplane runway image, one this one was my highest recent download. It's a simple airplane runway image. Nothing extremely fancy, no crazy AI effects, no cinematic overload, and that's why this image exactly works. And this image has, let me show you the bigger image of this. Yes, now you can see it clear. So this image has commercial usability, travel relevance, clean composition, and there's also copy space. You can see it here. A business, travel agency, aviation blog, or even a YouTube creator can easily use this. That's something many contributors forget. Buyers are not searching for beautiful images, they are searching for usable images. So let's move on to our next image. This is the second most highly downloadable image, and let's see this one. Now this one surprised me. A Maharashtra Day theme poster got strong downloads very quickly, and this reveals something important. Localized festival content has demand. Most contributors focus only on global holidays like Christmas or Halloween, but regional Indian events are still less competitive, which means lower competition, active demand, and that means higher opportunity, which I told you earlier in my recent videos about this strategy. And if you look closely, the design is also very simple. See, it is very simple. Warm colors, readable typography, clean layout, not overloaded. That matters a lot for stock platforms. And there is a simple illustration and nothing else. So this works for me, and you can also create a similar type of images. And the festival post, which is in basically lower competition, which has lower competition. You have to make that content and upload it here. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Similarly, this one. This image, and you can see the next one, this one, and one more I have. And in these images, I noticed a biggest pattern in my downloads. Awareness-based posters are performing consistently. You can see World Malaria Day and Menstrual Hygiene Day, and this is also for Menstrual Hygiene Day. And one more I have, I guess, yes, this one, No Tobacco Day. And why are these selling? Because organizations, schools, NGOs, clinics, social media pages constantly need ready to use awareness content. And most buyers want something professional, clean, and editable looking. So in all of the image, you can see this is clean post. And yes, in 2 3 posts of, I think, yeah, this menstrual hygiene day, you may have noticed a few details which I personally feel okay to add, because this add value to your content, and this explains about what your content about. And these look at these icons are the best you can use in your posts. Okay, so these are not overcrowded, and these are minimal poster designs which are working for me, and you can also use for yourself. Okay, then we'll see this illustration. One more thing I've noticed, simple backgrounds and commercial textures are still selling, and this golden texture, and I think one more golden texture which I have is also selling. Let's leave it. See which we'll see this one. Yes, this type of textures are still selling. The golden gradient texture got downloads because designers always need backgrounds. And we have milk day posters. Okay, let's close these. Okay, see, word milk day, and this is another post. And the milk day posters also performed well because brands and local business need quick promotional creatives. You can see these are looking nice, and you can use as it is for your promotional creatives. This teaches an important lesson, and Adobe Stock's utility often beats complexity. If people can use your image easily, it has selling potential. Nothing else you have to do, you just have to make your logo here. You can paste it basically, and give one border line where you can add a website, phone number, address, whatever you feel like to add, and this is good to go post. So these are the best selling designs on Adobe Stock. And most importantly, many of these downloads happen shortly after upload, and this means timing is extremely important. Uploading event content early gives Adobe to index your image before demand spikes. For example, if Word Milk Day is coming, you should upload weeks before the event. See, this is the post of 1 June, and today is not 1 June. We have uploaded a week before, I think more than a week before this event comes, and so that for that reason also this image works well, not one day before. So after analyzing my recent downloads, here's what I learned. Number one, awareness posters have strong demand. Like these are the awareness posters, and I might have more related to that. Yes, see, Blood Donor Day and Nurses Day. Number two, similar commercial layouts works better than overlay detailed. See this you can see Africa Day. This is a simple design, nothing complex. So this works well. And number three, regional and Indian event content is underrated. Indian event, like we have this Navratri you can say, and yes, this Bada Mangal. I have added this to my contributor account, uploaded this, and this got numerous of downloads. And the fourth one is clean typography and copy space matter a lot. And number five, timing can completely change your results. So what you have to do, you just have to make a content 2-3 weeks earlier, so that you have a time slot to make most of the money out of that image. There will be less, what we can say, less competition that time, so that you can get multiple of downloads. So that's it for today. If you want, I can make more videos where I break down my rejected images, performing best performing niches, AI prompt that work, and real Adobe Stock strategies based on actual results. And if you're also uploading on Adobe Stock, comment below what type of content is working for you right now. So see you in the next video. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe.